All right, out of the box, it gives you instructions how to download the application. Once you install the application, you might have an update. All right, now it looks very like a tube, like a real actual tube, but these are actually just screens. You could do animation screens, you could do your own timer, you could set up your own games in here, maybe notification. It doesn't have to be this timer itself. I did set up the actual weather because I wanted to see it. It is raining today, so just wanted to make sure I have that. Now this thing takes a type C, but I connect it directly to my computer. It turns on automatically when my computer turns on. Another great thing, it works with your Wi-Fi and it fixes itself its own time as soon as you log in. So let me show you the application part of this.
All right, so here's the tube. We already installed it, if you guys can see. IPS tube, the application. All right, so once we install it, we're just going to go in here. And right here, we could actually change and manipulate settings. All right, you could have various settings. You could have up to 4 different settings on the actual system. I do currently have the actual weather with it. Lighting, you can change the lighting. You can change pretty much a lot of different scenarios that you have. For example, if you go weather, you can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, show the weather, and then of course timing setting, device settings. And if you ever want to change the entire thing, you could just go in here and you could actually find some more different ones. If you guys can see that they have hundreds of them, and I'm going to go out here so I could show you pretty much all of the different tube lightings that they have. And of course, you can always download as many as you want. They have defaults, they have collections, and they have hundreds of different scenarios that you could download, from new to old to tubes. And it just, you could create your own too. You don't have to download what you see, but you could create your own.